welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the factor theorem. We have already looked at the remainder theorem, and you want to also consider the factor theorem. Now, if the expression x minus k, that is the divisor, is a factor of the polynomial f of x, then the remainder when f of x is divided by x minus k is 0. We are simply saying that from the remainder theorem, I said that if I have the divisor, if I substitute the divisor into the polynomial, whatever you get is the remainder. Is that okay? But if the remainder happens to be 0, let's say that our remainder is 0, that's f of 2 equals 0, then this is what you call what? A factor. It means that this 2 is a factor of that polynomial. Okay, so now let's consider this question. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. So let's look at how we can solve this question. So the question is saying that x minus 2 is a factor of this. So first thing, let's set x minus 2 towards 0. It means that our x is what? 2. So we have f of 2 is equals to. So what you want to know here is that you want to check if I substitute the value of 2 into this polynomial and the result gives me 0, it means that this x minus 2 is a remainder of what? This polynomial. So we have x, which is now 2 to the power 3 minus 4 multiplying 2 squared plus 3 multiplying 2 plus what? 2. Is that okay? So 2 cubed is what? 8 minus 2 squared is 4 times 4, which also gives us 16. 3 times 2 is 6 plus what? 2. Is that okay? So we have 8 minus 16 plus 6 plus 2. But 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Eight plus 8 is 16 minus 16. So 16 minus 4 is 16, which is 0. It means that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. Alright. We can also use another method to verify whether this x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay, aside this, we can use the other method to also verify whether this one is what? A factor of this polynomial. And with that, we can use either the long division method or the synthetic approach or method. We did this thing in our previous lesson, so you can go and check from there. Alright, so from here, you want to use the synthetic method. You can also use the long division. So for the synthetic, first you have to set this x minus 2 to 0. Then you have our x to what? 2. Then I said that you bring that 2 here, then put the coefficient of each of the terms. So the coefficient of x cubed is 1, coefficient of x squared is 4, then x is 3, then you have our constants. Next point, you bring the 1 down here, and you take this 2 times 1, give us 2. So negative 4 plus 2, so you add them, that will give you negative 2. 2 times negative 2 give you negative 4. 3 plus negative 4 give you negative 1. 2 times negative 1 will give you what? Negative 2. And this will give you 0. And we said that the last number is the remainder. And if you look at this one, the remainder here is 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is what? A factor of the polynomial f of x. That's how we verify that a particular divisor is a factor of a particular what? Polynomial. Alright.